Okay. But announcements are there, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sundar,
Yes, sir.
ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ದ?
ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಏನ್ ತಿಂದೆ?
ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್.
Very good. Right. So let's see the problems. Yesterday we have how many problems we have done?
ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್.
ಪೇಪರ್ ಹೇಳು.
1 minute sir. Two particles of equal mass. Distance of x1 and x2 from the origin of coordinate system. Find the distance between their center of mass from their origin.
Paper. Wait. CBSE na? State?
State, sir. Question number. Third main. Sir. Fourth main. 16th one, sir.
First 15th na? So character EX1, Y1, X2, Y2 and RX3, Y3 in a coordinate system. So that the center of mass coincide with the centroid of the triangle PQR. So we have to show that the center of the triangle is
Clearly asked different question, sir. They aim to repeat the question, sir. This is different question. What he said was different.
What?
16th question in the HCL.
Sir, sorry, sir. Second main 9th one, sir. Sorry, sir. Second main 9th one. Two particles of equal masses at distance x1 and x2.
Two particles of equal masses are at a distance of x1 and x2 from the origin of coordinate system. Find the distance of their center of mass from the origin. Very simple. Yesterday. So let us consider this is origin. Two masses are at a distance of x1 and at a distance of x2. Okay. So two particles of equal mass. So this is mass m and this is also mass m. So this is the origin and the distance is x1 and the other one is x2. Then what is the center of mass we have to calculate?
x2 by 2.
What is the formula? m1 x1 plus
m2 by 1 plus m2. m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m, so it will cancel.
So if you take it outside, x1 plus x2, yes, divided by m1 plus m2 is 2m. Understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೂಕಾಗ್ ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಡಗಿದ್ದೆ.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. Yes, that we have to use that max formula, sir. But we can't take common, sir. That is different m, sir. M1, M2.
Two equal masses they have given.
Okay, sir.
Two particles of equal masses are at a distance of.
Correct, sir. Sorry, sir.
Right. So yesterday we have discussed till 4 problems we have discussed, yes, no? Get 5th problem.
Sir, when we scalar product of two vectors result into scalar, right?
Yes.
And that scalar we cannot multiply with another vector, right? Because it is 0.
we cannot multiply, means we cannot cross product with vector, right? We can multiply, sir, but not cross product. We cannot do with vector, right?
No. What you mean? There is only two vectors we can cross product or we can dot product. Only two vectors. Scalar just multiplication. It increases the magnitude. Understood?
Yes.
So fifth, two blocks of masses 10 kg and 30 kg are placed along a vertical line. So if the first block is raised through a height of 7 centimeter, then the distance through the second mass should be moved to raise the center of mass of the system by 1 centimeter. Is see here. So this is on vertical line. So on the vertical line, two blocks of masses 10 kg and 30 kg. So this is one body, this is 10 kg and 30 kg. So let us consider another one, that is 30 kg. So 30 kg. Initially, this we kept on the vertical side. So then usually where is the center of mass? It is somewhere near to the 30 kg, na? Yes? Yes or no?
It will be near
So this
to,
is
like, the line will be divided in ratio 3:1, sir.
So x1. Next, if the first block is raised through a height of 7 centimeter, then the distance through the second one. So now this 10 kg mass is raised to how much? 7 centimeter we raised. So how much distance we raised, ma? 7 centimeters. If we raise it 7 centimeter, then center of mass is how much it is raised, it seems? How much it will be? It changes to
1 centimeter.
so x2, that equals to how much? 1 centimeter. So if we change the 10 kg of mass to 7 centimeter, and to get center of mass 1 centimeter, how much we should change the 30 kg mass? Andre 10 kg mass 7 centimeter distance change madadaga. So ಎಷ್ಟು distance 30 kg mass change ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 centimeter center of mass displace ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So see here. Center of mass we're talking. So therefore change in center of mass, that is in terms of delta y equals to usually same like m1 x1 plus m2, m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus and so on, same, but change in distance we are considering, that is m1 into so delta y1 plus m2 into delta y2 divided by m1 plus m2. Formula, same formula. So now substitute the value. What is the change in center of mass? Or shifting change? What is the change in center of mass? 1 centimeter, huh?
Yes, sir.
1 centimeter equals to m1 is 10 kg, 10 into
7.
how much it is changed? 7 centimeter
Yes, sir.
plus m2 is 30. So delta y2 you have to calculate, divided by
40.
so delta y2 equals to 40 centimeters minus 70 centimeter. Yes.
Yes,
And
sir.
finally delta y2 equals to how much? Minus 1 centimeter.
30 kg should be moved down.
Yes.
Yes, down. 30 kg we are taking outside, away from the, means downside from the center of mass. Artha aita?
Yes, sir.
this will be 30 plus 10, 40, 40 into 1 centimeter, that is 40 centimeters. So 40 centimeters is equals to 70 plus 30 delta y2. So from this delta y2 equals to minus 1 centimeters. Right. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
No, sir,
Yes,
after
sir.
this class.
Yes, after this class.
ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನ್ ಕತೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಯಾರು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? 1 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಇದ್ದು 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಊಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಕ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಜೋಕ. ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಬಾರ್ each other due to mutual gravitational attraction, then the velocity of the center of mass is ಏನಪ್ಪ velocity of center of mass?
0 sir.
Very good.
Internal
Zero.
forces will not affect the motion of center of mass.
Yes. Internal forces will not affect the center of mass. So actually, sixth one, we had gravitational force between two objects is the internal force. Okay, we are not applying any external force. So that's why the internal force won't affect the center of mass. So therefore, F external equals to 0. Then center of mass is also 0. It will not change it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬಾಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾಡಿ, ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ distance between from the center of this object distance ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಇದ್ರ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ 5 centimeters. Hello, able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
So exactly at 5 centimeters you will get. Now because of gravitational attraction, so this body is attracting this direction and this body is attracting this direction, and the gravitational force on one body due to other is same only, no? Yes sir. Force on M1 due to M2 and force on M2 due to M1, both are same, na? Yes or no? So after some time what happened, because of attraction force, these two will come together like this near to each other. Now what about its center of mass? The center of mass remains same,
Yes,
only,
sir.
na, again center of mass remains same.
Sir, but what
like
if
this.
we compare
So it's
sizes
not-
like Earth and Moon? If the center of like Earth has so much more mass than Moon, no sir. Then if the center of mass should remain, suppose Moon is attracting Earth and Earth is attracting Moon. Simply we'll say, sir. Then if the center of mass should stay there only, means Moon should come towards the Earth with full so much velocity, and Earth should move very like slowly, very.
Not like that. Even it is moving in the different speeds also. Its center of masses are different, no?
Yes, sir. But center of mass will be center of mass will be very near to the Earth, sir. It will be very, very far away from the Moon. See, when two bodies meet.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So Moon is moving with high speed and Earth is moving with less speed.
Okay.
Right. Next one, see, 7th one. If two particles of mass 6 kg which are at rest are separated by a distance of 15 meter. The two particles are moving towards each other under a mutual force of attraction. Then the ratio of distances traveled by the particles before collision is. So distances traveled before collision. So what is this one? This so velocities are position vectors having. See. So usually we know that x equals to what? So m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. Yes, this is this one. But here what happened? The mutual force of attraction. So because of mutual force of attraction, this is nothing but internal force.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
So one object is moving this direction and other object is moving this direction. So because of these two mutual force of attractions, therefore there is no any kind of change in center of mass, zero. And finally, what you will get? Both are in opposite direction. They are moving. No? So therefore it will be m1 x1 equals to m2 x2. Do you remember this formula? Center of mass is 0, which is equals to m1 x1 minus m2 x2 divided by m1 plus m2. From this, so you will get finally m1 x1 equals to m2 x2. And find the distances. X1 equals to x. So x1 by x2 equals to what? So x1 by x2 equals to m2 by
3. 2:1.
2:1. Understood.
Yes,
Sir, if you don't take the x to be at equilibrium also, one will be 10 meters far away from the center of mass and other will be 5 meters far away. Answer will get no, sir.
What?
If you don't take the center of mass to be at origin also, one will be 10 meters far away from center of mass and the other mass will be 5 meters far away, right?
Nothing like that. We can keep anywhere.
Okay, sir.
Actually, many students are not activated their mics. Many. Around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 students are not activated. Very good. Right, next, eighth one. Two bodies of 6 kg and 4 kg masses. Velocity is 5y minus 2j plus 10k and 10i minus 2j plus 5k respectively. Then the velocity of their center of mass is. So masses they are given, position vectors they are given. What is the center of mass, ma? Velocity they are asking. Okay, velocity. No, velocity only they have given. So first m1 equals to what? Mass. Mass m1 equals to 6 kg and mass m2 equals to 4 kg. And velocity then is going with the velocity v1 equals to in vector form. So 5i minus 2j plus 10k and v2 equals to 10i minus 2j 10i minus 2j plus 5k. So then what is the center of mass? What is the formula? So the velocity of center of mass equals to
M1
M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by total
M1.
mass.
very good. Calculate and tell me the answer fast. Calculate and tell me the answer. ಯಾರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Are you solving?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is 7 I cap minus 2 J cap plus 8 K cap.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
7 I cap minus 2J plus 8K cap.
J cap, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Right, next one. 9th one. Shall I go for next one?
Yes, sir.
Anshula, what is the term?
Yes, sir.
Finished, huh?
Yes, sir. Sir, 1 minute, that one, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir. Last one I want to write. Last line, sir.
You only told no answer first.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Clear, huh?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Next, 9th one. 9th one, see. A thin uniform rod of length is bent at its midpoint as shown in the figure. The distance of the center of mass from the point O is one thin uniform rod of length L is bent as shown in the figure. See, so like this they bend it. So they bend like this. Total length is L and mass is M. So if you bend like this, the equal masses, no, this will be. So this will be. Then what is the center of mass? So here the origin they have given, this is the origin and it makes an angle theta. So this is the angle theta. Now we have to find the center of mass. Enough center of mass. See. So here, this will be how much? The mass will be m by 2 na? Mass m by 2. And for horizontal, this one. So if you consider this one, the mass m by 2. And where its center of mass? The center of mass will be here, na? Exactly at midpoint. Total length from here to here, total length is L. This is bent in the form like this. It's 2 half. So for what is the distance from center of mass to the origin? This distance is how much now? L by 4,
Yes, sir.
L by 4. In the similar way, here also. So its mass is m by 2. So its mass is m by 2. And what is the distance is how much? This is also L by 4.
Yes, sir.
L by 4. L by 4. So now center of mass. So resolve into this one into two components. C L by 4 like this. Like this. So first x component and then y component. Center of mass along x axis. So means XCM. The formula. So M1 x1 plus M2 x2 by M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2. See.
Sir, if you find the resultant of both, what will we get?
Huh?
If we find resultant of that m by 2, L by 4 and that, what will we get?
Resultant
Like-
of M by 2, L by 4 and
That only. The one,
that only we are calculating.
but that formula is different, no, sir. Like a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, that one.
That is in case of this one.
Velocity.
Velocity.
This here also we can do position vector also we can find through resultant of two vectors, no? Instead of
Yeah, try it once.
instead of
Yeah.
velocity we'll put the distance, and that's only, no, sir.
Yeah, we can, let's see. That one we can see. Okay. So this what are the components? Position vector will be, it will be so minus L by 4 comma 0. What about this one? So this will be See, if this is L by 4 and this is theta, then this will, what is the angle of this one? 180 minus theta na?
Yes, sir.
180 minus theta. Minus theta. So this will be L by 4 cos 180 minus theta. Got it? And this will be
L by 4
that
sin 180
time the
minus
position vector of this one will be L by 4
sin 180 minus theta.
cos 180. Cos 180 minus theta is what? Cos 180 minus theta
minus cos theta.
plus it comes in. Cos 180 minus theta and L by 4 sin
180, correct.
180 minus theta. So these are the points. I cap, J cap, okay?
Yes.
I cap, J cap. And now use this one, center of mass. Center of mass, if we consider, this will be, so M1 R1 plus M2 R2 by M1 plus M2. So position of center of mass equals to M1 equals to how much? M by 2. So M by 2. R1 equals to how much? Minus L by 4, comma, that is I cap. So 0, it is 0, new. Next plus M2 is M by 4, M by 2, and L by 4 cos 180 minus theta. Esta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Minus cos theta.
-180 minus. So second coordinate.
Yes, minus cos
Minus
omega.
cos theta.
Minus cos theta. So that is minus cos theta I. L by 4 minus cos theta. I will write here. Minus L by 4 cos theta. Sin plus, no, 180 minus is plus. So plus L by 4 sin 180 minus sin theta. Sin 180 minus theta. Sin
Sin
theta na
only,
cos
sir.
theta na?
Plus sin theta.
Sin theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Divided by
M by 2 plus M by 2.
M. M by 2 plus M by 2 will be M. M by 2 plus ನೋಡಪ್ಪ. Now, so M by 2 plus M by is nothing but M. Therefore, M into R equals to ಇದು minus M by 2 L by 4 minus M by 2 L by 4 cos theta. ಏನಾರ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ. So this also minus, this also minus. M by 2 L by 4 plus M by 2 L by 4 cos
Sir, M cancel
theta.
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ sir.
Left, okay, M cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus I. Next plus by 2 L by 4 sin theta J. So, and finally here M is a common term in all the places, no? So M will cancel. So M will cancel, then R cap equals to what? You will get L by 8,
Yes, sir.
L by 8
L
plus
L by 8 cos theta
cos theta
into minus I cap plus
minus
I cap
I cap
plus L
plus
by 8 sin theta j cap.
sin theta j cap. So this is a position vector. Now magnitude you have to calculate. So magnitude how we are calculating? Nothing but a square root of cm square plus y cm square x plus y cm square. So we can do this one. ಅವಾಗ L by 8 plus L by 8 cos theta whole square.
L by 8 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ. ಅವಾಗ 1 plus cos theta whole square and sin theta whole square ಇರುತ್ತಷ್ಟೇ.
L by 8 is theta whole square plus sin square theta.
Yes sir. Yes
ಸರಿನಾ?
sir.
ಅದು 1 plus cos whole square theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Right, let's see. Shall I go for next one?
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ theta by 2 ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲೋ. theta by 2 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು.
ಸರ್ ಅದು
Theta
ಸಾಲ್ವ್
by
ಮಾಡಿ
2
ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಬೈ 2
ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅದು.
Right, let's see. So we got R equals to so L by 8 plus L by 8 cos theta of minus I cap plus L by 8 sin theta of j cap. This is our equation we got, right? So from this L by 8 completely, if you take it outside, then 1 plus cos theta I cap minus I cap plus sin j cap. So ಇವಾಗ simplify ಮಾಡಿದೆ, that is magnitude of R equals to square root of x square plus y square. So L by 8 ತಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so this is x term, this is y term, ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. No. We can take. So now 1 plus cos theta whole square plus sin square theta one square plus cos square theta
1 square plus cos square plus 2 cos theta plus
2 cos
sin square theta. ಆ cos square theta ಮತ್ತು sin square theta 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಒಂದು
1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 cos theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
so 1 plus 2 cos theta
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು
1 plus 1 2 2 okay.
So 2 ಕಾಮನ್
2 plus
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
2 common, wait. So if you take 2 common, R equals to, so L by 8 into root 2 you have to take common, okay. So root 2 common ತಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿರ್ತದೆ 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta, how we can write?
Sir, multiple. Sir, cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So cos theta plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. 1 plus cos theta is equal to theta by 2 ಬರೀರಿ.
This
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ರೂಟ್.
ಹೌದಾ 1
Yes,
plus
sir.
so root 1 plus cos theta equals to what? 2
Cos square theta by 2. Correct, sir.
formula na trigonometric formula.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, if you substitute then so L by 8 root 2 into
square root of 2
2
cos.
cos square root 2
root
root 2 into root 2 is 2 2 by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ L by 4
L by 4 cos theta by 2.
theta by 2 ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್
Correct, sir. That fourth option.
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು previous page need to go for previous page.
No need, sir.
Shall I go for next one?
Yes, sir.
So three identical spheres, each of mass m and radius r, are placed touching one another so that their centers A, B and C lie on a straight line. The position of their center of mass from center of A is. So three identical spheres, 1, 2, 3. Three identical spheres, so touching each other on x-axis. So this is sphere A, B, C. The centers A and B lie on the straight line. The position of their centers of mass from center of A is. So what is the position of center of mass of these three systems from A?
Center of mass will be at center of B, no, sir.
Center of mass B from, if you consider from this particular point, from this point. So from the center of A, if you consider, then it will change, yes, no?
No, sir. Center of mass will be there only, but distance will change. That's it.
Let's see. So radius is R means, so just calculate the radiuses here.
From A to B, it is 2R.
R, 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 R. Now let's see.
Sir, correct only, sir. 2R.
X,
Sir, 1 minute. Can you go to previous page, sir? 1 minute.
2R. Ray, this much what you have done.
Sorry, sir.
2R, center of mass will be 2R. Direct option. By solving also will get. Hey, once wait, I will finish this problem, then later I will go for that problem. So even if by using formula also will get same, that is center of mass will be at this particular point. That is how much it is R plus R? 2R. Okay. And by formula if you go M1 x1 plus M2 x2 plus M3 x3 by M1 plus M2. So according to that, if we go, M1 is mass M into 0 plus 2 R plus R 2R plus M into R 4R 4R. So divided by M plus M plus M. 3 masses, that is M plus M plus M. 6 mr by 3m, that equals to 2r. Write down this.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ರಿಮೂವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ, ಬರ್ತವೆ ಇವು
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮುಗೀತು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಮಾಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. If a boy moves from that end to this end, what like fraction of like what is the how much has the center of mass moved as a fraction ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು?
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿರೋ ಲೆವೆಲ್ 12 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಮಾಡೋಣ. Right, shall I go for next one?
Yes sir.
11th one. A boy of mass 50 kg standing at one end of a boat of length 9 meter and mass 400 kg. He runs to the other end, that is the distance through which the center of mass of the boat boy system moves is. ಒಂದು ಬೋಟ್ ಐತಂತೆ, ಆ ಬೋಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಇದನಂತೆ, ಸಮ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್, ಮಾಸ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now the boy is moving from one end to other end. Then what is the center of mass of the boat and boy system? What is the center of mass?
Diagram ಇಡ್ರಾ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಐತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಐತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಅದರ್ ಎಂಡ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೂವ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? The center of mass will be 0. It will not changes. Why? If we consider boat and person, so that is nothing but one complete system. Okay, and if the person is moving from one end to other end on the boat itself, means that is inside the system itself, and inside the system there is no any external forces are acting, internal forces only. That is the boat is nothing but an internal force. So if internal forces changes, the center of mass is not changes. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ
ಸರ್? ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಸರ್.
Yes.
If the boy was not there, the center of mass will be at center of boat. Now the boy is at one end.
Wait. Boy is, if we consider the only boat, then it will be center of the boat. Clear?
No, I'm coming to that, sir. I'm coming to the boy. Okay, sir. If the boy was not there, the center of mass will be at center of boat. Okay. Now the boy is at one end, so the center of mass will be somewhere between center of boat and the boy. Now the boy has moved from one end to other end. Now the center of mass is somewhere between the point, the center of mass of only boat and the boy on the other side.
Listen. Now what do we know? So this is the system. Now the center of mass will be like this here at this. Let us imagine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now this boy is moving towards right. This boy is moving towards right with certain velocity. So if boy is moving with certain velocity in right side, in the similar way, the boat is also moving in the left direction with certain different velocity. So this is moving left side and boy is moving right side, but the center of mass remains same. Because this is internal force only. The boy moving on the boat is nothing but internal force. So that's why. Artha aita?
One 5 minute after the class I'll talk, I'll chat, sir. Okay, about this.
Okay. The buy and boat system. And suppose if we consider only a boat. So only a boat if we consider, then that time the center of mass of boat will be different. But if we consider the both buy and boat, then the center of mass remains constant. Right. It will be 0 for 11th one. So 12th one, see. A dog weighing 5 kg is standing on a flat boat so that it is 10 meters from the shore. It walks 4 meters on the boat towards the shore and then halts. The boat weighs 20 kg and one can assume that there is no friction between it and water. The distance of dog from the shore at time is. See here, same like before only, but a dog is weighing 5 kg, is standing on a, so this is one boat. So this is one boat. Okay, so this is one boat. A dog is weighing 5 kg standing on a flat boat. So here one dog will be there. So here one dog on a flat boat. It is 10 meters from this shore. Suppose here seashore will be there. Seashore. So what is the distance from the seashore? It will be how much? 10 meters. So 10 meters. It walks 4 meters on the boat towards the shore and then halts. Now the what will happen? This dog is started moving towards the boat. How much distance it traveled? So 4 meters. It traveled 4 meters. So it came to here and this distance is 4 meters. 4 meters. And then halts. The boat weight is 20 kg and one can assume that there is no any friction between it and water. So there is no friction and between water and a boat. The distance of dog from the shore at the end of this time is. Then, so what is the distance of the shore? Distance of the dog from the shore. So did you understand? Question artha aita? Question artha aita? So first 10 meters distance allite dog boat ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ಆ 10 meters distance ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಡಾಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? 4 meters ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಬೋಟ್ ಗೆ. ಸೊ 4 meters ಈಗ after traveling a distance of 4 meters, what is the distance from the shore to dog? ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? Any idea? Question, did you understand the question? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Didn't understood.
No, sir. See, first ಒಂದು ಬೋಟ್, ಆ ಬೋಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೋಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಈ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸಿ ಶೋರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, 10 meters ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಬೋಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ 4 meters ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೇನೆ. ಸೊ 4 meters ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್? 4 meters ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನಿಂತ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಈ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಂದ ಶೀ ಶೋರ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, sir.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತೆ ಅಂತ.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you say it is 6 meters?
No, sir, because boat will go little bit back.
Yeah.
So distance will increase.
So boat will go little bit back. Now what happened? So the dog is moving in forward direction means that boat will move in opposite direction. In opposite direction. Okay. So opposite direction is 4 meters ಆದ್ರೆ ಬೋಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು 6 meters ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಬೋಟ್ 4 meters ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ 4 meters ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? More weight is there, no? Usually more weight. So for example, this boat is displaced at a distance of y meters ಅಂತ ಕಮನ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು actually ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಮನ. So how much distance is traveled? Let us consider how much distance. How much distance? Y distance. Okay. So y distance is traveled. Now, so since the center of mass will be 0 and dog and boat both are moving in opposite direction, then we can write directly that is m1 x1 equals to m2 x2 na. Shall we write? Shall we write? So m1 x1 equals to m2 x2. Illi from this let us consider m1 is boat and m1 is boat. So mass of the boat into how much distance is traveled? Y distance. So y equals to m2 is mass of the dog. So mass of the dog and how much distance it is traveled? In forward direction is 4 meters. In boat is moving in opposite direction. That is y. Then what is the total distance?
4 minus y.
Very good. 4 minus y. 4 minus y. Simplify I value. So mass of the boat is how much? 20 kg. So 20 into y equals to mass of the dog is how much? Mass of the dog is 5. So 5 into 4 minus y. So 20y plus 5y equals to 20. So therefore y equals to how much? 20 by 25. Y equals to how much? 25.
0.8.
How much?
0.8.
0. So y equals to 0.8 meters. What is the y? Y is the distance moved by the boat. Distance moved by the boat. Then actually if the boat is exactly at this point, then you will get this point will be 6 meters. But boat is also moved y distance. No? So what is the total distance now from here to here?
6.8. 6.8.
So 6 plus y, 6 plus y. Therefore x equals to how much? 6.8 meters. Hope you understand.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್.
ಹೇಳು.
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಬೋಟ್ ಮಾಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಾಗ್ ಮಾಸು ಒಂದೇ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಡಾಗ್ 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೇಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಮೂಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Sir, why is it x2 4 minus y?
x2 na. So x2 y is because see dog is moved in forward direction 4 meters. Okay. ಡಾಗ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋಟ್ 0.8 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀನ್ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀಯಾ, ಓಕೆ, ನೀನ್ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀಯಾ, ನೀನು ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡಿರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಸ್ಸು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡಿರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀನು ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡಿರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 meters ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಬಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಡಿರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನೀನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ? 4 minus y.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನಮ್ಮ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine. So remaining we'll discuss in the next class. What class is there for you?
Sunday, sir.
Sunday, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಚಿಕನ್ ಮಟನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ನಾನ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸಸ್ಯಾಹಾರಿ ಸರ್, ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು
ಸಸ್ಯಾಹಾರಿ ಸರ್, ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ.
ಸಸ್ಯಾಹಾರಿಯಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನಂತರ ನೀವು ಸಸ್ಯಾಹಾರಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಮಾತ್ರ?
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲು
ಹೌದಾ? ನಂಬೋದಾ
ಸರ್? ನಿಜ ನಂಬೋದು.
ಓ ಹೌದೇ, ನಂಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ರತ್ತ. ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪಾಪ ಫೀಲ್
ನಾನ್ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲು.
ನಾನು ನಂಬ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನ.
ನೀವ್ ನಂಬಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ದಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಮ್ಮ? ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಂಬ್ತಿ ಅಂದಲ್ಲ.
ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ನಂಬಿ.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸರ್, 0.7 meters ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. 500 kgs boat to 40 kg man. The man moved from one edge of the boat to other.
ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇದ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್.
ಇದಕ್ಕಿನ್ನ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿನ್ನ ಮುಂಚೆದು
ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು? ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಸರ್ 11th only is saying.
11th
ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲೂ 0ನೇ ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನಂಗೆ 0.72 ಬಂತು.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ 0, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೇ ಗೆಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ so if remember one thing, if external forces are 0, then no center of mass shifting. ಓಕೆನಾ
ಸರ್ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
want to write
ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ 2 ಸರ್, ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 89 ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
89 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಸರ್. ಅದಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 15 in M2 towards M1 without altering CM position ಅಂತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? To mutual forces between two bodies. ಅವೇನಾ?
ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Distance d, then shift in M2 towards M1 without altering center of motion is minus M1 M2 by d.
ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್.
In a system of two particles of masses M1 and M2, when M1 is pushed towards M2 through a distance d, then shifting M2 towards M1 without altering center of mass.
ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸಾರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಬಾಯ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ M is at one end of a flat boat.
Is at one end of a flat boat of mass M and length L, which floats stationary on water. If a boy moves on the other end, the boat moves in opposite direction through a distance d equals to direct how much distance is traveled. The displacement of boy with respect to ground is idenu distance moved by the boat and distance moved by the boy with respect to ground.
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಬೋಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆ ಬೋಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಾನ ಡಿ ಇರೋದು, ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ML by M plus M ಅದು. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಕ್ತು ಸರ್. ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದ್ರದ್ದು. ಸೇಮ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು.
ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನೋಡು, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೋಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Okay, sir.
Okay, students. Bye.
Bye,
Have a
sir.
nice
Thank you,
day.
sir.
Dhanlakshmi? Supriya?
Yes, sir.
Where is your friend?
What, sir? Once again?
Where is your friend?
Dhanlakshmi, sir. Don't know, sir.
He didn't come today. Okay, fine. Bye, students. Take care. Have a nice Sunday.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Same to you, sir.